Find the total rebound distance of a ball that is dropped from a height of 18 meters with each rebound 2/3 of the preceding one. So on the board I've written down that what we have is R is 2/3 and that A sub 1 is 18 because we have a geometric sequence here in which each time the ball bounces 2/3 of the previous height. And what we're interested in is knowing the total distance that this ball rebounds. Well, first of all, since R is 2/3, which is less than 1, that means the limit exists. What we're interested in then is the sum sub infinity, which is equal to A sub 1 divided by 1 minus R. So in our particular example, it would be 18 divided by 1 minus 2/3. That's equal to 18 divided by 1/3, which is equal to 54. That means that the total distance is 54 meters. The rebound distance would be equal to 54 minus the initial height of 18, or 36 meters. And so the total rebound distance is the 36 meters.